Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about OUSE Token and why I think you can make your 100x in the next couple of weeks with this token. Welcome to OUSE Token. OUSE aims to create a celebrity-driven real estate NFT marketplace in the metaverse. For sure, guys, they have a white paper to explain it exactly in every detail what exactly they want to do. But I don't want to bore you with this much details. It's a 9-sider, so it is a light paper. If you want to read it, just click on that button and download white paper. OUSE Token is a meme token and the vision of celebrity realtor and television producer Tai Savet. The team comes from various and diverse backgrounds and all share enthusiasm for blockchain technology, NFTs, and the metaverse. OUSE is a meme token meant to generate publicity around the OUSE project. OUSE aims to create a celebrity-driven real estate NFT marketplace in the metaverse. Plans are underway to make the OUSE token have functionality. In the future, it will be used to buy and sell NFTs in OUSE's corner of the metaverse. The name OUSE maybe comes from the river in England. It goes nearly by Leeds. This river goes through England and maybe that's why we have this cute name OUSE. Let's see further what they offer us. The token information. OUSE is a BEP20 token. It can be bought on PancakeSwap. And please set the slippage to 10% because we have a high volatility right now. It is a new project and this token can hit easily 100x total supply and the market cap. They write also down, but we will look later on the chart, on the actual chart on PooCoin app. The tokenomics, for sure, public sale, the biggest part. Bounties, they also have their partner and advisors, board advisors, development project team, and for sure marketing. Marketing 10% is legit. I will even say 30% is legit because you can have the best product, guys. If nobody knows about it, nobody can buy it, right? So let's go further what they offer us. How to buy it. They explain exactly how to buy this token. For everyone who don't know how to buy this token, I have a video how to use, how to install the MetaMask wallet and how to swap tokens on PancakeSwap. It's very easy and you can find it on YouTube also. There are so many better explanation on YouTube how to do that, and just try it out. It's very easy to do it. The roadmap. Stage 1, the meme OUSE token drops on PancakeSwap on December 3rd. So guys, it's just 15 days old and we will look in a couple of seconds on the actual chart and I will tell you why I think this thing can go 100x. Stage 2 token update, 150 wallets and 1+ transfer. OUSE token add to coinsbit.io. OUSE token BSC scan verified. It is already verified for sure. And so on. Please read this by yourself. The stage 8 is very interesting here. OUSE plans to roll out the metaverse NFT fictional real estate virtual world. OUSE Platform on mobile and VR headsets in late 22. Currently designed are in place for the look and texture of the OUSE Platform. OUSE future of NFT. OUSE will roll out a metaverse NFT marketplace and fictional virtual world for both mobile and VR headsets on the OUSE platform. The goal of OUSE platform is to create a fictional NFT virtual world based on the Los Angeles plot map. Very nice, guys. You can buy houses in Los Angeles and be virtual in your real estate. Nice, why not? The OUSE platform design is inspired by real-world Los Angeles neighborhood development of a traditional NFT trading platform on Web3 with OUSE token functionality linked via PancakeSwap is currently in progress. Eventually, luxury celebrity-inspired real estate NFT properties will be available on the OUSE platform in the metaverse. The OUSE platform metaverse will be implemented in mobile augmented reality and VR headsets by 2022. And very interesting here to see the leadership team. These guys are real. OUSE Token team combines a passion for esports industry expertise and proven record in finance, development, marketing, and licensing. You can see Tai Savet, Silla, Craig Martin, Carl Tombach, and so on. These guys are all on LinkedIn. You can contact them even private and ask them if you have some questions. But the best way to do it is for sure on Telegram. We will look at this in a quite seconds. Here the FAQs. If you want to have here, if you have some more questions, just look first the FAQs. And the next step is go on their Telegram group. They have one with 2,586 members, 67 right now online, so you can ask these guys 24 hours. These members, they are from the beginning inside that project and can answer you, I hope so, every question you have. Twitter account they have also with 141 followers, and the final one, the price chart. And here you can see why this thing can go 100x. Because we don't have here a much pump. We don't have here a very big pump, right? We have a pump for sure because it is a very, very new project and it is already some days listed. But until now, it's not much invested. 48,000 US dollars is right now not much at this point. It is normal, don't get me wrong, it is very normal to have just near 50,000 after a couple of days. But it is not much for the blockchain, for CoinMarketCap, and so on. What I mean is, this token is not listed. This token you can buy right now in the pre-listing time. So, and if you buy this token and it get listed, you can have only with the listing easily 10x. And because you have here guys behind this project which show their faces, tell you from the beginning, guys, it is a meme token for the beginning. So if something goes wrong, we just want to remember you, it is a meme token. They don't tell you and make some announcement they cannot keep, right? They don't make any promises and let you lose all your money. They tell you from the beginning it is a meme token, and if this project and the community is strong enough to go forward, they will do that what they write on the website, right? And they are not afraid to show their faces. So guys, let me know what you think about OUSE Token. Let me know what you think about this project down into the comments. Leave me a like because I think this project is very good. Leave me a like for the project. If you don't give me a like, give a like this project. I like OUSE Token. And yeah, if if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain, subscribe, and we will see us tomorrow. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits with OUSE Token, and see you later, alligator. Bye.